Welcome to ZeroThreat. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through signing up and performing your first web application scan using ZeroThreat. Let's start with signing up. Begin by clicking the Custom Sign-in/Sign-up button on the ZeroThreat login page. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Click the Sign In button. You'll be redirected to a one-time password (OTP) window. Check your email for the OTP. Enter the OTP here and then click on Verify and complete the verification process. After verification, you'll arrive at the Terms of Use page. This is where you'll enter the name of your organization. Think of your organization as a workspace. All scans and projects will be stored here, helping you manage users and data effectively. Next, choose your preferred storage location. This is where your data will be securely stored in encrypted form. ZeroThreat allows you to pick a storage location to meet your compliance requirements, such as GDPR. Now, review the terms and conditions. Take a moment to read through them carefully. And when you're ready, click Accept, followed by Continue. And just like that, you're all set to use ZeroThreat. Let's move on to adding a target and starting your first scan. Before scanning, you will need to install ZeroThreat Chrome extension. Go to the Chrome Web Store and add it. This extension is essential for certain scanning functionalities. Once it's installed, head over to the dashboard and click Add New Target. Here, enter the URL of the web application you want to scan. After entering the URL, you'll need to select the default scanning server for that target. This server will handle the scanning process, so pick a location that is geographically close to your application's host server for better performance. Once you've selected the server, click Save. At this point, a domain verification drawer will open. Domain verification is an important security step to prove ownership of the target website. You'll have two options to verify: HTML file deployment, that is by downloading the provided HTML file and uploading it to your server. Other being DNS-TXT record, that is adding the given TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. Once you've added the HTML file or TXT record to your domain, click on Verify Domain Ownership. ZeroThreat will validate it and confirm ownership. After verification is complete, return to the dashboard and proceed with the scanning process. Select the target you just added. You can change the scanning server if required. Next, under Scan Method, under Unauthenticated Scan section, click on Start Unauthenticated Scan button. The scan will start immediately in our cloud servers, and you can monitor its progress in the Recent Scan section. With that, you're all set. You've now successfully signed up, verified a domain, and performed your first scan using ZeroThreat.